Why does your body suddenly make that weird hic sound? The real culprit is a muscle you've probably never thought about, your diaphragm. Normally, your diaphragm moves smoothly to help you breathe. Sometimes, it suddenly contracts without warning. Your vocal cords snap shut, creating the familiar hic sound. Eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, swallowing air, or sudden excitement can all trigger hiccups. Most hiccups disappear on their own, but if they last more than 48 hours, it's a good idea to seek medical advice. Your body is full of incredible surprises. Follow Human Body Secrets for more amazing body mysteries.